Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Podcast, the show where you improve your English in a calm and natural way. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here today.
Today's topic is something almost everyone struggles with at some point.
Overthinking.
Yes, that feeling when your mind just won't stop. You replay conversations. You imagine worst-case scenarios. You think about the same problem again and again.
And the more you think, the more stressed you feel.
Exactly. So today's episode, we're going to talk about why we overthink and how you can calm your mind, step by step, in simple, practical ways.
And of course, you'll improve your English while listening.
Leo, how would you describe overthinking?
For me, it's when my brain refuses to be quiet. I think about something small, maybe a message I sent, and suddenly I'm analyzing every word.
Yes, you start asking yourself, did I say the wrong thing? What if they misunderstood me? What if they're upset?
And most of the time, nothing is wrong.
Exactly. Overthinking is usually fear pretending to be problem-solving.
Oh, that's a good sentence.
When we overthink, we believe we are being productive, but often we are just repeating the same thoughts without finding solutions.
So why does this happen?
Our brains are designed to protect us. Thousands of years ago, humans had to look for danger.
Like wild animals or threats.
Exactly. Today, we don't usually face wild animals, but our brain still looks for danger, social danger, emotional danger, failure.
So when something feels uncertain, the brain tries to solve it by thinking more.
Yes, but instead of solving, we get stuck.
Okay, so how do we stop?
Step 1 is simple but powerful. Notice when you're overthinking.
How?
Ask yourself, is this thought helping me? Or am I solving something or just repeating it?
That's interesting. So awareness comes first.
Yes, you can even say in your mind, I am overthinking right now.
That small sentence creates distance between you and the thought.
Exactly. You are not your thoughts. You are observing them.
When I overthink, my body feels tense.
That's very common. Overthinking activates stress in the body. So here's a practical tool. Slow your breathing.
Simple but powerful.
Try this. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, breathe out for 4 seconds. Do this 5 times.
And while breathing, focus only on counting.
Yes, your brain cannot fully focus on counting and worrying at the same time.
Sometimes thoughts feel bigger inside my head.
That's why writing helps so much. Take a piece of paper and write, what exactly am I worried about?
Be specific.
Yes, not, my life is a mess. Instead, I'm worried about tomorrow's meeting. Then ask, can I control this?
If yes, take one small action. If no, practice letting it go.
Writing turns a scary cloud into clear sentences.
Can we stop negative thoughts completely?
Not completely, but we can guide them. For example, instead of thinking, I'm going to fail, try, I will prepare as well as I can.
So not fake positivity.
Exactly. Not everything will be perfect, but realistic confidence.
I think social media also increases overthinking.
Absolutely. Comparing yourself to others is a big trigger. If you notice that scrolling makes you anxious, reduce it.
Protect your mental space.
Yes, your mind needs rest, not constant comparison.
Why is overthinking worse at night?
Because everything is quiet. No distractions, just you and your thoughts. If this happens, keep a notebook near your bed. Write your worries down. Tell yourself, I will think about this tomorrow.
Giving your brain permission to rest.
Here's something important. Thoughts are not facts.
That's big.
Just because you think they don't like me doesn't mean it's true.
It's just a story your brain created.
Exactly, and you don't have to believe every story.
Can someone stop overthinking in one day?
Probably not. It's a habit, but with small daily practice, it becomes easier. You'll notice thoughts feel less powerful. You recover faster. You react calmer.
Progress, not perfection.
Let's review what we discussed. Notice when you're overthinking, slow your breathing, write your worries down, replace negative thoughts realistically, reduce triggers like social media. Remember, thoughts are not facts. Be patient with yourself.
If you struggle with overthinking, you're not weak.
You're human. Your brain is trying to protect you. Now you're learning how to guide it gently.
And remember, improving your English while listening to meaningful topics like this is already progress.
If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to Easy English Podcast.
And share this episode with someone who needs a calmer mind today.
We'd also love to hear from you. What makes you overthink the most?
Keep practicing your English. Take care of your mind.
And we'll see you in the next episode.